Growing mushrooms takes a lot of power. I have over 20 tons of HVAC on this operation simply because mushrooms produce a lot of heat while they are growing. I remember one winter when it was 18 degrees out and I was running air conditioning. These are my beautiful inverters that were installed by Yes Solar. So a number of years ago I had wanted to convert this place to being powered by a more sustainable form of energy. I looked into it, and at the time, unfortunately, fiscally, it just didn't make a lot of sense. And then last fall, I was looking at one of my emails from Duke, and they had something about solar in this Solarize program. What it is, it's a program where they go in and they make a bulk purchase of solar panels and offer them to the community at a discounted rate, making it easier for people like me to get started with solar. Up on top of my building, I have this beautiful array of solar panels, harvesting that energy and powering my building. You should check out this cool app I've got. Shows me how much power I'm producing. It's pretty awesome.